Main features are visual output, operates at a 720p HD native resolution, but supports playback scaling for 1080p and 4K content. Brightness, delivers 150 ANSI lumens. Because of this, it is strictly intended for heavily light-controlled or dark environments to preserve contrast. Screen scale, projects an image ranging from 30 to 150 inches, requiring a throw distance between 1.2 and 4.5 meters. Alignment controls, utilizes electronic focus adjustments alongside vertical keystone correction via the remote control. It sits on an angle-adjustable, lightweight built-in stand. Standalone ecosystem, runs on a smart UI built over Android 13. It comes pre-installed with major OTT platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube, alongside a native app store for additional downloads. Processing and memory, driven by a basic hardware configuration utilizing 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of onboard storage. Lamp durability, features a long-lasting LED light source rated for up to 30,000 hours of lamp life. Sound, integrated with a modest 3W built-in speaker. For a true cinematic or loud room experience, pairing it with an external soundbar or speaker is highly recommended. Projection size, scalable from 30 inches to 150 inches maximum. Projection distance, requires a throw range of 1.2 meters to 4.5 meters. Image correction, electronic focus, and vertical keystone adjustment via the remote. Brightness, 150 ANSI lumens, best suited for dark or heavily light-controlled rooms. Light source, long-lasting LED lamp with up to 30,000 hours of life.